মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজি আমি ক্লাছ 8ৰ ইংলিছৰ লেচন 3 এক্সপ্ল'ৰ ইণ্ডিয়া কুইজ টাইমৰ প্ৰশ্নোত্তৰবোৰ আলোচনা কৰিম। তোমালোকে চাবা। 1 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নবোৰ হ'ল এনচাৰ দ্য ফলোইং কুৱেশ্যন উইথ ইনফৰমেশ্যন ফ্ৰম দ্য লেচন। প্ৰশ্নবোৰৰ উত্তৰবোৰ হ'ল What is a quiz? A quiz is a form of game or competition in which someone tests our knowledge by asking questions. How many schools teams participated in the quiz program for the selection phase? There are 5 school teams participated in the quiz program for the selection phase. Who was quizmaster? The Mr. P.K. Bodo was the quizmaster. What were the rules of the quiz as announced by the scorer Aparna? Scorer Aparna announced the rule of the quiz where there will be 5 rounds in total. In each round, each team will get at least one direct question. For every correct answer, you will get 10 marks, and for a passed over question, 5 marks will be awarded. There will be no negative marks for wrong answer. Each team will get only 10 seconds to answer a question. The team which scores the highest marks will be the winner. Each team will get only 10 seconds to answer a question. The team which scores the highest mark will be the winner. The winning team will represent the state in the national level quiz competition. Which team was the winner of the state level school quiz competition? Team D was the winner of the state level school quiz competition. Question number 2. How well do you know your country? Complete the following sentences. They are from the lesson and are about our country. A. The ancient name of Assam was Kamrup. It was also known as Pragjotishpur hobo. Sukapha established the Ahom kingdom in Assam in the year 1228 AD. Myanmar does not share its border with Assam hobo. B. The color of our tricolor national flag are saffron, white and green. White stands for peace and truth. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Purabandar in the state of Gujarat. Amritsar in Punjab is famous for the Golden Temple of the Sikh. The largest population of Indian rhinos can be seen in Kaziranga. The ancient name of Patna, the capital of Bihar, was Patliputra. The Qutub Minar, the world's tallest free-standing stone tower, was built in 1193 by Qutubuddin Aibak. এতিয়া number 3 দিছে test your memory, match the statement under A with correct statements under B without looking at the lesson. আমি lesson নোচোৱাকে মানে A লগত B মানে statement খিনি মিলাব দিছে. One name of by which our country India is known in Hindustan. এটো হ'ব ভাৰত or ভাৰতবৰ্ষ is another name for it. The color of the first band of our flag is saffron. It signifies courage and sacrifice. The blue whale in the center of our flag is called the Ashok Chakra or the Dharma Chakra. It signifies that there is life in movement and that is stagnation. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. It was in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Dandi in Gujarat is famous for a historical event. Gandhiji Salt Mart started here in 1930. Listen to an announcement. Your teacher will replay it for you as you listen. State whether each statement is true or false. Mark the option T if the statement is true or F if it is false. এইটো আসলতে তোমালোকৰ পেজ নম্বৰ 112 যেটো প্ৰেগাপ দিছে হেতুৰ পৰা দিছে ডিউ টু Due to incessant rains in Assam since Monday last, the quiz program that was scheduled to be held this afternoon has been postponed identically. Due to incessant rains in Assam since Monday last, the quiz program that was scheduled to be held in afternoon has been postponed indefinitely. The participants from other districts as well as the quizmaster were unable to travel to the venue. The next date of the quiz will be notified shortly. Students are requested to continue with their regular classes. এইখিনিৰ প্ৰায় এনসাৰবিলাক আমি কৰিব লাগিব। The announcement is about the incessant rains in Assam. এটো true হ'ব। The announcement is about postponing the quiz program. এটো true হ'ব। The quiz program has been postponed indefinitely. এটো true হ'ব। The quiz program has been rescheduled for next Monday. False হ'ব। The next date of the quiz has been notified in the announcement. False হ'ব। The participants of other districts are requested to go back. এটো false হ'ব। The new date for the quiz will be notified shortly. True হ'ব। Students of the venue schools are asked to go their classes. to true হ'ব। Imagine you are member of the literary and cultural forum of your school in group. Draft a notice inviting participants to join the zonal level quiz competition to be held on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd, Monday at 10 a.m. Write all the important information about the quiz. Write all the important information about the quiz on the notice board. Notice board এখন লিখিবলৈ দিছে। তোমালোকক কুইজ হ'ব মানে গান্ধী জয়ন্তীৰ দিনাখন 2 অক্টোবৰত কুইজ প্ৰগ্ৰাম হ'ব, তাৰ বিষয়ে নোটিছ বৰ্ড এখন লিখিব দিছে। তোমালোকে এনেদৰে লিখিব পাৰিবা। This is to inform all students that a zonal level quiz competition will be held on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. Date 2nd October, time 10 a.m. Venue School Auditorium. Interested students are requested to register their names with the Literary and Cultural Forum on or before 30 September. All students are encouraged to participate and make the program a success. Literary and Cultural Forum ফৰামৰ পৰা এইটো মানে তলত দিব লাগিব। কাৰ পৰা দিয়া হৈছে লিটাৰেৰী এণ্ড কালচাৰেল ফৰাম XYZ স্কুলখনৰ নাম দিব দিছে আৰু ডেটটো তোমালোকে কিবা এটা দি দিবা। এতিয়া 7 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যন মানে কুৱেশ্যন আমি বিভিন্ন ধৰণে বনাব পাৰোঁ। তলৰখিনি যিখিনি দিছে আৰ ইউ ইন ডাউট, কেন ইউ আনচাৰ দ্য কুৱেশ্যন, এইখিনি হৈছে আমি নিগেটিভৰ, এইখিনি হৈছে আমি ইণ্টাৰগেটিভ কৰোঁ যে সেইখিনি আমি বনাব সেই তেনেধৰণে বনাই দিছে। গতিকে ইন পেয়াৰ্ছ মেক য়েছ ন' কুৱেশ্যন ফৰ দ্য ফলোয়িং এনচাৰ ফ্ৰম দ্য হুইচ ওৱান ইজ ডান ফৰ ইউ। মানে সিপিঠিত আপোনালোকে গ্ৰুপ বান্ধি পেলাই কি কৰিব দিছে, তলৰ এনচাৰবোৰৰ পৰা কুৱেশ্যন বিচাৰি লিখিব দিছে। Are you representing the East Zone? Yes, we are representing the East Zone. Is Tezpur Academy in Sonitpur? Yes, Tezpur Academy is in Sonitpur. তাৰমানে তলত যে yes, the winning team will represent Assam in the national school quiz competition, এইটো প্ৰশ্নটো আমি এনেদৰে বনাম, will the winning team represent Assam in the national school quiz competition? No, the ancient name of Assam was not Kamatapur. Was Kamatapur the ancient name of Assam? Was Kamatapur the ancient name of Assam? Yes, saffron signifies courage and sacrifice. Does saffron color in Indian flag signify courage and sacrifice? Yes, Porabandar is located in Gujarat. Is Porabandar is located in Gujarat? 8 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্ন দিছে ইমেজিন ইউ আৰ দ্য স্কুল কেপ্টেইন হু ইজ ইন দ্য চাৰ্জেছ অফ অল দ্য volunteers for the quiz program in order to maintain discipline among the students during the quiz. An announcement has to be made. Discuss in group and prepare an announcement to be made at the beginning of the quiz. আমি কুইজ কম্পিটিশ্যনৰ মানে ভলণ্টিয়াৰ বনাব দিছে আৰু ডিসিপ্লিন কেনেকৈ মানে আমি মেইনটেইন কৰিম কেনেকৈ তোমালোকে মানে এনাউন্সটো কৰিবা প্ৰথমতে কুইজ কম্পিটিশ্যনৰ এনাউন্সমেন্টটো কৰিবা সেইটো বিষয়ে লিখিব দিছে Number 8. Announcement. Good morning everyone. Welcome to the school quiz competition. All students are requested to maintain discipline throughout the program. Please remain seated and keep silence while the quiz is in progress. Do not disturb the participants' mobile phones. The schools to be kept switched off. Follow the instructions of the teachers and volunteers. Let us cooperate and make the program a grand success. Thank you. The school quiz competition. All students are requested to maintain discipline throughout the program. Please remain seated and keep silence while the quiz is in progress. Do not disturb the participants' mobile phones. The schools to be kept switched off. Follow the instructions of the teachers and volunteers. Let us cooperate and make the program a grand success. Thank you. 9 number. Read the lesson carefully. In the lesson, the members of each team have introduced themselves to the audience. Taking a cue from them, take turn to introduce yourselves to the class. Lesson to মানে পঢ়িব দিছে আৰু কি কৰিছে মানে তেওঁলোকে যে কেনেকৈ নিজকে নিজৰ বিষয়ে ইন্ট্ৰোডাকশন দিছে সেই তেনেকৈ তোমাক নিজৰ বিষয়ে ইন্ট্ৰোডাকশনটো দিব দিছে Good morning everyone. My name is তোমালোকৰ নামটো লিখিবা I am a student of class 8. I am তোমালোকৰ বয়সটো লিখিবা years old. I study at this school. স্কুলখনৰ নাম লিখিবা I live in তোমালোকে ক'ত থাকা তোমালোকৰ গাঁওখনৰ নাম বা চহৰখনৰ নাম I live in তোমালোকৰ গাঁওখনৰ নাম বা চহৰখনৰ নাম লিখিবা My favorite subject is English. I enjoy reading books and playing games. I am happy to be a member of this class. Number 10. Let's take a trip to our past. Your teacher will divide the class into 5 groups. Each group will prepare present a project on the following. Pragjyotispur, the Ahom Kingdom, Bharatbharsh, the Taj Mahal, the Golden Temple. এইবিলাকৰ ওপৰত মানে যিকোনো এটাৰ ওপৰত তোমালোকক এটা প্ৰজেক্ট বনাব দিছে মানে টিচাৰসকলে তোমালোকক গ্ৰুপত ভাগ কৰি দিব আৰু তোমালোকে কি কৰিব লাগে যিকোনো এটাৰ ওপৰত বাছি পেলাই কোনোবাই প্ৰাগজ্যোতিষপুৰ ল'ব পাৰা আহোম কিংডম ল'ব পাৰা ভাৰতবৰ্ষ ল'ব পাৰা এনেকৈ কেইটামান মানে তথ্য আমি প্ৰজেক্ট বনাই দিব লাগে গতিকে মই আহোম কিংডমৰ ওপৰত বনাই পেলাই দিছোঁ তোমালোকে বাকিবিলাক বনাবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিবা The Ahom Kingdom was established in 1228 AD by Sukapa. It ruled Assam for nearly 600 years. The Ahoms were known for their bravery and good administration. They successfully defeated the Mughals several times. The famous Battle of Saraighat was fought under the leadership of Lasit Borphukan. The Ahoms contributed greatly to Assam's culture, literature and architecture. Their capital was at places like Saraido, Gorgaon and Rangpur. ছবিটোত কি দিছে ছবিখন চাই পেলাই তোমালোকক এনেই আলোচনা কৰিব দিছে তোমালোকক গতিকে ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল তোমালোকৰ যদি মোৰ ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগে লাইক কমেণ্ট শ্বেয়াৰ এটা কৰিবা আৰু তোমালোকে অন্যান্য ভিডিঅ' পাবৰ বাবে মোৰ চেনেলটো অন্যান্য ভিডিঅ' পাবৰ বাবে মোৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবা আৰু তোমালোকে কমেণ্টত কোন ক্লাছৰ হয় মোক জনাবা